So this is a Lamborghini Temerario in green. I already know I did a video on it, and that one was in the blue, but I wanted to get one in a different color, just because, why not get another one? Especially since in the Costco video, you could see they had plenty. So, I guarantee there's gonna be extras when the rest are gone. So, let's just hurry up and open it. So now let's just remove the backdrop. So this is the Temerario in the green, and I don't really see too much of a difference, which honestly there probably wouldn't be anyway, other than the color of it, and still doesn't look too bad. I kind of like it a bit more in the green, because with the matte blue, again, I think I said it in the video that I'm not a fan of matte in general. I just don't like it. So now let's just remove the plastic strip and band. So the band seemed a little stuck on there. For a second I thought it was like melted in a bit, but thankfully it wasn't, but it did. It was a little tougher to get off, but nothing to complain about. Now let's just remove the stickers on the back. So to get a better view of the inside, let's just take off the back now. So now with the stand remove, we can remove the plastic and get a better look. Again, the Bburago. So not too different from the other Lamborghini. Again, to be expected. It's the same exact car but in a different color, which this one I do like a lot more. But noticing up close now, it seems the paint is either chipping or it got a little much right here, because it seems like the black goes straight, and then right here it got a bit too high, which is fine. Honestly, it's not anything at all, just something I noticed. So now let's try to open up the hood. So now let's just get it on the turntable. So that is a Lamborghini Temerario in the green. I do like this car a lot more in the green. I think it's just because the color of the other one, and since it was in the matte, it was, to me, not as good looking. But this car, it does look a lot better than the blue. And if you're asking why did I get it if I didn't like the color of it, one, I did, but I do like this one a lot more. And two, it was the only Temerario out, and that was like the first time I've ever seen it in the store, so I had to get it. But now let's just open all the doors. So that is a Lamborghini with all the doors open. Again, not much of a difference compared to the blue one. The same size trunk, the same black molded interior, nice details on it too, and the engine bay, again, the exact same. So there's not much of a difference at all. It's just the color of the exterior, which this one I do like a lot more. There's not much else to say, so that's about it.